Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into StaffLink employee account online. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.stafflink.net and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official page, click on the login button in the top right corner. Now scroll down your screen and here you can see two login buttons. You can either log in as a client or as an employee. Here I'm gonna log in as an employee. Now enter your correct email address and your password. And if you have forgotten your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link. And if you're done entering your details, then click on Login button. And that is how you can log in into StaffLink employee account online. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.